Hi, Chandan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up tracking for your Go High Level web pages, funnels, and websites using Google Tag Manager, Google Ads Conversion, and Google Analytics. So do check out the video to know more. Use to set up tracking for Go High Level, we'll be using certain platforms such as Google Tag Manager, Analytics, Google Ads, and LinkedIn Ads. Basically, the reason for using Google Tag Manager is instead of adding all the codes which will be taken from Analytics, Google Ads to directly insert into the Go High Level platform, we'll be using Google Tag Manager, where it acts as a tag management platform where it will be helpful in sending data from Go High Level platform to Analytics. Basically, it will be used for sending data. So to set up the tracking, we'll be going to tag manager, where this is the setup. You need to have the container for that particular website. Like to start the tag manager, you have to create a account for tag manager and create a like container as well. So once you create a container, you can see the like platform like this. So you need to take the code from here, where you need to insert into the head and body tag of that particular go high level funnels. So like I'll be taking this code and I'll be inserting into the funnels. So this is the Go High Level platform. You can see here we need to go into the sites where we'll be able to implement all the implementation for websites and funnels. So you can add the code like wherever you wanna track that particular web page. So I'll be using that code. Like I'm planning to track this funnel. So once you enter into the funnel, so you'll be seeing multiple options, the steps, stats, and settings. So in the settings, you need to add the code. So I've already added. So I think like for your information, I'll add like this. This is the head, and this is the body tag. So once you add the code, you need to save it. Once you save it, you need to go into the Google Tag Manager. So to test like whether the code is added or not. So for that, like you need to click on the preview. So once you click on the preview, it will take you into the debugging system. So this is the place where I wanna track it. So click on, if you enter the website, so it will directly connect into the website to check the code is connected or not. Or like you can able to check it out like using tag assistant as well. If you go into the website, you need to click on you need to reload it. Once you reload it, you need to enable it. So you can able to reload it, and like once you reload, you can able to see whether the tag manager is added to the website or not. Here in my case, it's added. So once you add, since like once you can see this tag manager is added, you need to go and submit the tag manager. You can give any version. I'm giving version is like tag manager code added to funnels. So you need to publish it. So it will indicate that like your funnel is submitted. So we need to come back into the workspace. So as you can see, the tag manager is added into the funnel. So you need to update the tag. Like if you want to track the analytics, like whatever data, whatever traffic you wanna track from the go high level websites. So you need to create a tag for the particular uh, website. So like I'm gonna start with creating tag for attaching for the Google Analytics. To for that, like you need to click on the tags, and then you need to click on the tag configuration. Then you need to go to the Google Analytics. So since we have updated from Analytics to GA4, click on GA4 GA4 configuration, not event. So if you click on it, like you can able to see the measurement code. This measurement code will be getting using like once you if you are in a home. Basically, you need to go into the settings. This is the admin settings, so you have to click on it. Once you click on it, you need to go into the data streams. So here in the data streams, you might have added like multiple codes. Like I'll be tracking the website traffic. So click on web. So once you click on it, you can able to see the measurement ID here. So you need to copy it, then come back into the funnel. So you need to add that measurement ID here. And you need to click on like send a page view event for this configuration loads. Then you have to create a trigger for this. Trigger means when should this tag should be fired. So I'll be creating a tag for trigger for all pages. What it means is, so if any user come into your website a funnel, so at the time this will track these details. This will tag will get fired if someone enters into the web page. So because since I'm trying to analyze the traffic for all the pages, I've given all pages. If you want to take for any particular pages, you can add some particular pages as well. So I'll be changing the name as Google Analytics. So you need to save this. Once you save this, before submitting, try to see a preview whether it is connecting or not. So it is connected, so I need to click on continue. I think so since it is the tag is added for all the pages, it will be once it's get loaded, so you need to click on the finish, so it will check. So in our case, you can see the Google Analytics funnel. This tag is triggered, fired. So it means our code is working. So once you do it, just click on submit and save it. Save. This is basically a workspace change. Whenever you update anything in Google Tag Manager, you need to publish it first, so that it will go live. So before, if you don't publish the changes you done, this thing will not get saved in in global level. So I'll be added a version as Google Analytics added. So here what we have done is first thing is we are connected with the Google Tag Manager, then we'll connect it with the analytics. Next we'll track the Google Ads conversion here. So here first what you need to do is you need to go into the Google Ads dashboard, then click on conversions, where I'm now tracking the thank you page. If someone submitted the lead, then thank you page will be triggered. So once the user can see the thank you page, the conversion will be fired. Conversion. So for this, I'll be adding new conversion action. Then you need to click on website, and I'll be using this website. Then you need to scan it. Once you scan it, you need to create a new conversion action manually. Since I'm using for thank you page, so you have to give all the details what's the category and all. I'll be using this for sign up. If anyone sign up for our program, then conversion name is workshop registered, workshop registration. And like I'll be giving like same value for each conversion, which is 1 euros. If you are doing for e-commerce and all, you can give, if you're selling different products, you need to give different value for different purchases. And like count, like I'm using for one, like it means if one person signed up for the program multiple times, it will be considered as only one count. So a click through conversion window should always be maximum, like it will be 90 days. Then other things are cool, so we can like enhance conversion, yeah. Then click on done. So then you need to click on save and continue. Then what you need to do is like you need to create a conversion using Google Tag Manager. You can do it like multiple ways. You can set up with a Google Tag Webmaster, but like now in this case I'm using Google Tag Manager. So for this, like we have got conversion ID, then label as well. So for this you need to go to the Google Tag Manager. Once you are gone, once you come back, you can see the things. You can see all the like tags, like I've added this tag. Then we'll be creating the new tag named Google Ads, Google Ads conversion tracking. You need to click on this. Once you click on this, like you can see like multiple options, like it's asking conversion linker tag missing in the container. We'll add it later. So this is the conversion ID. Conversion ID will be like where you can see here. This is the conversion ID. So we need to copy and paste it here. Then you have to add the label as well. Here is the like you can get it beyond like below your name, conversion name. So you need to update here as well. So we are like if you're using multi e-commerce, you can able to select all this like product level sales data and all. So for triggering, I'll be not giving for all pages. It will be only for the thank you page. So I'll be click on plus icon. If you click on it, like you can able to see all the other options where page view. I'll be clicking on page view where I wanna create a conversion only time like when someone viewed the thank you page. So I'll go to the thank you page. So the thank you page we have set. We have already set it up. So once you copy this, you come back into the tag manager. Then click on page URL. Page URL consists of this thing. It should contain this thing. Like there are so many options, but it should contain this thing. Like when I start, once like anytime uh when anytime like when user go to the thank you page, this will consider that trigger. So yeah, I'll be renamed as thank you page trigger. So you need to save this. Once you save this, you have to rename the tag as Google Ads conversion added. Just save it. Now Google Ads conversion tracking is added. Now we have to create another tag for uh, Google linker tag where you can see this. Okay, Google Ads conversion linker. So once you need to click on like enable linking on all page URLs. So once this will be on all pages. This basically this will link the Google Ads to the your website. So you need to, it's important to create it. So Google Ads linker tag. Linker. Then you need to save it. Once you save it, you can able to see like Google Ads conversion added. Like let me see like if it's working or not. Click on preview tab. So click on thank you page. where you can see this analytics, because that's one of the pages from website. This tag is fired, then Google Ads tag also fired, Google Ads link are also fired. So it means our conversion is created. So then you need to submit the changes. This is very important. If you don't save it, the the things like that the tags you have created will not be updated. So created version as Google Ads conversion created. Create. Now, then click on publish. So here is how you can able to create a proper tracking for your go high level pages. So like if you're a new if you want to try go high level for your business, like I'll be adding my link affiliate link in the comment section. Just like try 14 days trial using that. Yeah, that's it. Like thank you for watching my video.